Hey there. You've probably heard the term money laundering thrown around in news headlines or crime shows. But no, it's not about throwing your cash into a washing machine with some detergent and hitting spin cycle. Money laundering is actually a sneaky process used to make illegally gained money look like it came from legal sources. In other words, it's about turning dirty money into clean money. That's where the term laundering comes from. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you've just pulled off a big-time crime, maybe a bank robbery or something else highly illegal, and now you're sitting on a mountain of cash. Sounds great, right? Well, not really. If you try to walk into a bank and deposit all that money, red flags are going to go up fast. The bank is going to ask questions. The government will get involved. And if they find out where that money really came from, yeah, you're looking at serious jail time. So what do criminals do? They lie. Instead of saying, hey, I robbed a bank, they claim the money came from a legal business, something like a restaurant. Now here's the catch. They don't actually run a real restaurant. But to make the story believable, they go out and buy one. They hire staff, serve food, maybe even get a few real customers. But the food doesn't have to be good, and they don't care if anyone shows up. The whole point is to create a front, a fake business used to mix illegal cash with legal income. So let's say the restaurant earns $10 from actual customers, but the owner adds $20 from their illegal stash. They tell the bank they made $30. To the government and financial systems, that $30 now looks squeaky clean. That's money laundering. But it's not just restaurants. Criminals have all kinds of tricks up their sleeves. They use casinos to gamble dirty money into clean winnings, buy expensive art to resell it, flip real estate, or even use cryptocurrency to hide the source of funds. It's complicated, it's illegal, and it's happening more than you think. Just to be clear, this video is for educational purposes only. Don't try this in real life. If you want me to dive deeper into more interesting topics, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching.